Hello, this is Jeremy from TextMeAnywhere, and just in time for the holidays, we're introducing a brand new feature, keywords. Set up responses in TextMeAnywhere that automatically answer your client's requests based on keyword triggers that you customize. Let me show you how to set this up. Once in the Settings tab in the side navigation, we'll head over to the Autoresponder menu and open that up. You'll notice a new tab just below holidays called Keywords. Let's go ahead and click into the Keywords tab, and here you can see that I have one keyword set up called My Keyword. Creating a new keyword response is also very simple. You just click on the New Keywords button to open up the editor. Give your keyword a name and then start inputting trigger words, which will prompt the message to be sent automatically. For example, if a client texts a message with the word hours in it, the keyword responder will send out an automated message with your business hours. Make sure to hit enter after each keyword prompt. Then create an outbound message, but make sure to watch the character count. If it turns red, your message will count as multiple message units. Each message unit is 160 characters. After creating your message, select when you'd like the message to be triggered. Click Save. Now you'll see your new message appear right here in the list, and that's all there is to it. You can edit any of the attributes of a keyword at any time, including the name, keyword triggers, outbound message, and also when the keyword is triggered. If you make changes you want to keep, make sure to click Save, and if not, just cancel it. When you try to delete a keyword, a pop-up warning will make sure that you really want to do that. You can also toggle the response off and on. As you can see, keywords are quick, easy, and will save you time. Thanks so much for watching this quick tutorial video, and have a great day.